Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Hannah, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting my channel. It truly means the world to me. Today, I am so excited to do this video because it has been a challenge to not open this package. I've definitely learned self-restraint. Is that the right word? Or restraint. I think that's the right word. But anyway, it has been a struggle because I've been so excited to get this package in, and I have waited 3 days to open it because I couldn't find a time to film this video, but I am squeezing it in before I have to go to work later today because I just want to see these pieces because I'm so excited to open it and hopefully I love it. So I thought I would do a little unboxing. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Naked Naked was doing a collaboration with, I think her name is Josephine. She's an influencer. I'll put her name here. You guys probably have heard of her. If not, she has incredible style. I really like her. So when she did a collaboration with Naked, I immediately knew I wanted to get some pieces from their collaboration together, and I thought I would open it up on screen, kind of for you guys to see my first impressions, what I think of the clothing, how I think it feels, and then obviously I will do a try on portion at the end of this video for you guys to see how it actually looks on and what I think first impressions of me actually trying on all the pieces. So let's just open it up. I've been waiting for this to do this for so long and I'm so excited. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing I ordered were the pair of pants. They look kind of like a cotton, like just a nice beach pair of pants. I don't know, they looked really good on the website and of course on her. I think she can pull off like anything she wears. Okay, I really like the material. I don't have any pants that look like this. These are really nice white pants. They're like a really nice material. I really like them. They're really soft. I hope they fit me. They kind of look a little tiny. I got a size 34. Her name is Josephine HJ. That's like the collaboration, or that's what she goes by. But, oh, I'm happy with the first look of it. I like how the button is like this cream color. I don't know if you can see it. I love that. It's just like very neutral color palette, and it just looked really good. She had it on with like a tube top. Oh no, there's a brown stain on it. Maybe I just got that on it. I don't know how. Oh no, there's a couple brown stains. Okay, well that probably will, oh my gosh. What the heck was this on? Okay, well hopefully that will come out. But I'm excited to try these on. I think they're really, really cute. I don't have anything like this in my wardrobe. I have like a pair of white jeans, but these are more of a nicer pair of white pants, so really happy about that. How much were these? Okay, it doesn't say, but obviously I'll link everything down below for you guys. Naked's pretty reasonable in price. That's why I was so excited when they were doing a collaboration, because she usually wears more expensive brands. So I was very excited. Oh my god, love this. The next thing I got was just this plain tube top. She wore this with the white pants and it just looked so beachy and summery, and also you can never go wrong with a white tube top. I do like immediately that it has this elastic kind of thing on the top, so it looks like it will stay put and not fall down. But I really like that. And I got this in an extra small. Super cute. The material is also very soft. This is so fun. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. So she had these beautiful like knit maxi dresses that just looked incredible for vacation, for the summertime. And I really wanted it in white, but she said the white was a little see-through, and I wanted it for like everyday use, not just like over top of my bathing suit. So I went with the black, And I think I'm gonna be really happy with the black because I just feel like you can never go wrong with something that's black. It's just always very flattering. Oh my god, I love this looks so pretty. Okay, look how nice that knit material looks. It's a very, very fine knit. I'm scared it is still a little see-through, but I think if you just like spread it out, it's see-through. I'm hoping that once I have it on, it won't be that see-through. But I really, really love this. I also got this in an extra small. I just love the neckline. I like how it's a high neckline, and I just think that shape is very flattering. I'm very excited to try this on. Does it have a slit or is it just a long maxi? Okay, it's just a long maxi, which I really honestly like. It's gonna be a very simple thing just to throw on if you don't feel like thinking of an outfit or something like this. I can just slip this on and it will be perfect. So very happy about that. And I think this is the last thing I got. I only got 4 things, nothing too big, but I thought it would still be fun to show you guys me opening my package for the first time and kind of like my reaction and how I truly think about all the clothing, because I know sometimes with videos you just don't know if they're like being totally real, and I just want to show you guys the reality and the realness behind like the clothing that I buy, and to just really show how much I truly love everything that I tell you guys, and I wouldn't tell you guys or share something with you guys if I didn't love it myself. So the last thing I got is probably something, the other thing that I was most excited about, and it's this silk dress. I got it in this navy blue color, and I'm usually not one to get color, but I wanted to try something different. I wanted to spice it up a little bit because obviously I was more inclined to get the black one, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go for something different, something that I usually don't do, go outside my comfort zone a little bit and get the navy blue. And this color is actually beautiful. Like, it is a really, 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 really pretty blue, like navy blue color. I got this in a 34, and I'm really hoping it fits. The straps do look weirdly so long, and I know that she's pretty tall, so I'm really hoping that they're not actually that long on me. I'm kind of nervous, but I can always get it like taken in a little bit if I need to. But the back is what sold me, and you're not going to be able to see the back just on camera, but you'll see it on in the try-on portion. But it's like a really cool open back like shape. It's not just like complete open back, it has like this crisscross design, and I've never seen that before in a dress, so it's very different, and it just looks stunning on her. Of course, she looks good in everything, but I'm hoping that it will give the same look on me. And if I really do like it, my thought process was if I really do like it in the blue, then I would go back and get it in the black, because I just think this is a dress that is so easy to wear, will never go out of style, will just be something that you'll wear forever. So if I like it in the blue, I probably will go back and get it in the black, because the pricing was just such a reasonable price for a nice silk mini dress. And honestly, all of these. I wanted to get the white jeans also, but I wanted to try these pants first because I don't have anything like these pants, and I do already have white jeans, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try the pants first, and then if I like them, I'll get the jeans. I was also unsure about the sizing. I didn't know what size I would be because I don't usually buy clothing or from brands that are like 34, 32, 36, 38. It's usually like either a 0 through like whatever, or extra small, small, medium, large, extra large, or something like that. Like those, or like in numbers like 28, 29, things like that. So I'm really guessed on all the sizes that I got for all these pieces. So I'm hoping it fits, because I just don't feel like going through the process of returning anything. So you will see shortly if it does fit and how I like it, but I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video. It's different and I think it's exciting. I love watching unboxing videos on YouTube, so let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, but I love you guys so much, and let's get to hopefully a successful try-on portion. Okay, so this is the silk blue dress. I definitely want to get this hem so it's like shorter, like a mini dress on me, but the color is gorgeous and the back is absolutely beautiful. I love the back detailing to it. I just don't really like the length. It's kind of an odd length on me because I am not probably as tall as she is, so I feel like if I shorten it a little bit, it'll look a lot better on me. Yeah. But I absolutely love the feeling and I love the color, and the back is just like unmatched. It's so pretty. With like a nice tan in the summertime. It is summer, Hannah, you're just not tan, you have to get over that. But like I'm about to go on vacation, so I feel like this will be really pretty for that. I just really love the back. I just need to get it shortened and it'll be like perfect. But this is the first piece. The color is just gorgeous. I love the color so much. So if you're shorter, definitely keep that in mind. You probably will just get it hemmed, or if you like the length, then you can obviously keep it this length, but I just don't really like the length on me. But love everything else. And the shape, like I like the shape of it and the scoop neck. I think it's so flattering. Okay. Next outfit. Okay, so this is the tube top and the pants. I'll talk about the tube top first. I love this tube top. I think it is so flattering. It stays, like it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall whatsoever, and it's not see-through, so love that because it is white. I'm so scared this is like blurry. Hopefully it's not blurry. I'm so sorry if it gets blurry a little bit, because I can't see my camera, but it's really nice material and it feels really secured, which is always what you're looking for in a tube top, because I hate when you find tops that you just have to keep like pulling up, and this doesn't feel like you're gonna have to do that. I'll come closer, you can see it, but I just really, really like this, and the back's just straight like this. Okay, so moving on to the pants. They fit me really well in the waist. They are extremely, oh god, I'm falling. They are extremely long on me, so that is one thing I would have to get tailored. But I absolutely love how they're baggy on my thigh. That is so hard to find in pants that fit your waist and are baggy on the thigh, and they're perfect on oh my god, was that even English? They're perfect on the thigh and my leg, but I also don't know if they just make me look like I have no butt and they're just not flattering whatsoever. I can't really tell. I'm definitely gonna have to get a second opinion. So guys, let me know your true opinion in the comments below if you think these are just super unflattering on me or you love them like I think I like them. I don't know. I just love the leg, but they're so long, like I am stepping on the bottom of them. So I definitely have to get them hemmed, but they fit really nicely on the waist. They definitely have some room, but I honestly like that because when you eat a lot, you just want some room. You don't want them to be like super tight. So yeah, they're super nice white pants and they are very comfortable. The fabric is amazing. I just don't know if they're like too much fabric or I'm just not used to finding jeans that are truly baggy and fit my waist. So unsure about the pants, but I do like the idea and I think I'm gonna keep them because I think I can work my magic, and maybe when they're like tailored in the bottom, I'll see the vision more and like them more. I don't know. Can't tell. But the top, 1000%. The pants, I'm like at a 95%, I think. I don't know. But let's try on the other thing. Okay. Let's just pause. This is like 10 out of 10 I would recommend. This is just beautiful. 1000% yes, have nothing bad to say about this dress. It is so comfortable. The knit material is amazing. It's so beachy. Like, I want to get into more colors, but I think I'm so happy I got it in the black because I don't think I would like it as much if it was see-through. I like that I can wear this out and about. It doesn't have to be like just a cover-up, or like you can only wear it to certain occasions because it is see-through. That makes sense. But I am obsessed with this. I'm just going to be throwing this on like every single day when I just don't feel like putting an outfit together. And this will just be incredible. I love the neckline. It is just so flattering. It fits so well. It is so comfortable. I am just so obsessed with this. Amazing job. Amazing job, Naked and Josephine. Josephine, I think that's how you say it. I don't know, but I love this. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to bring this on vacation. I'm just gonna live in it. It's so comfortable and so flattering, or at least it looks flattering. Tell me what you think, but I love it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. Okay, well that is everything that I got. The only iffy are the white pants, but I actually do, now thinking about it, I think I'm obsessed with them. I think I really do love them. I just have to get them tailored a little bit, and then they will be perfect. But I will link all these items down below. I know some of them might be sold out just because it was like a quick collaboration with Naked, but she's already done one. This was her second one, so I'm sure she's probably going to do more. So look out for that, because all the clothes that she has made with Naked has been incredible. But I'll leave a link to everything that I can find, and also I'll just leave a link to her collaboration, because obviously you guys might want the other stuff that's a part of the Naked collaboration with her. I definitely think I might go back for the white jeans because I just loved the fit of those. So I know that the white jeans are still going to be baggy and fit my waist, which is so hard to find. So I think I might go back and order that. I also think I might order the black dress in the slip dress I got, the blue slip dress I got. I think I might order in a black because I think I will just wear that all the time. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!